Hello guys, welcome to Harmless TV. Before I'm going to teach you this tutorial on how to switch Facebook into Classic, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell button. Okay, at this time, I will teach you how to switch your Facebook layout into Classic mode. Classic mode, it means the old style. Because at this time, it's very hard to switch into classic mode. Before Facebook had an option, I will show you here. Before there's an option here, like switch to classic mode, but now Facebook force us to switch to use the new one, the new style, the new layout of Facebook. But there is another way on how to switch into classic mode. Okay, guys. So here's the step by step. It's very easy. Okay, first step. Okay, add in a new browser and click or type web space store and then enter. And on the first, this one, Chrome Web Store, click this one. Then after that, type on the search old layout for Facebook. So this one. Then click. And then next one, click this one. Old layout for Facebook. There's another one here, but usually I use this one. Click this one. And then there's an option here. Okay, you can click this one, add to Chrome. Okay, old layout for Facebook and then add to Chrome. But just to make it sure, you are signed in into your Google account, okay, or Gmail account in order you to sync. Okay, click add to Chrome, add extension, and then after that, it will pop up here on the right side. Click this one. Click this one and then double check. So it says already here, already add to the extension. So click this one here and then yeah, so it shows enabled. Okay, so now it's already enabled from this layout. As you can see, this is the new style. I will close this one and then now type Facebook, then click this one, Facebook, and here we go. It's very easy. So back to the original or into the classic old style layout of Facebook. Okay guys, so it's very simple. I hope this tutorial helps you. And as I said, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell, hit the bell notifications for my for more videos. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your Harmless TV.